Hello everyone. Here is the next topic of the same chapter, dimensional analysis. Under this heading, we will discuss the following topics: dimension of physical quantity, dimension equations and dimension formula, applications of the dimension formula, and limitations of the dimensional analysis. First, the definition of a dimension of physical quantity. The dimensions of a physical quantity are the powers or exponents to which the base quantities are raised. What are the base quantities? Mass, length and time, which are abbreviated as the capital M, capital L and capital T, and these are written within the square bracket. For example, we have to write the dimension of velocity. Velocity is equal to displacement upon time. For displacement means the length, and time for t. Therefore, it can be written as L upon T, that is Lt to the power minus 1. As M has no powers, therefore it can be written as M to the power 0, L to the power 1, T to the power minus 1. Similarly, for acceleration, the formula is velocity upon time. For velocity, the dimension was m0, L to the power 1, T to the power minus 1, and for the time t. Therefore, on substituting the respective values, we will get m0, L to the power 1, T minus 2. Now, dimensional formula. Dimensional formula is the expression which shows how and which of the base quantities represent a physical quantity. For example, as we have learned earlier, the dimensions of the velocity, acceleration. Therefore, the dimensional formula can be written as m to the power 0, L T to the power minus 1, written within the square brackets. Similarly, the dimensions of other physical quantities can be written. Now, the dimensional equation. What is the dimensional equation? When a physical quantity is equated to its dimensional formula. For example, dimension equation of velocity, that is V is equal to it's written as a dimensional formula. Therefore, V is equal to, under the square bracket, m0 L T to the power minus 1. Acceleration A is equal to m0 L T minus 2, written within the square bracket. These are called the dimensional equation. That is, the physical quantity is equated with this dimensional formula. It is known as dimensional equation. Now, let's practice some examples of the dimensional formula. For example, area. Area is equal to length into breadth. For length, L, and for breadth, it also represents the length. Therefore, it will be written as L into L, that is L square. As there is no quantity of mass, therefore it will be written as the m0 L square, and T is also not present, therefore T to the power 0. Similarly, volume. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. The three quantities L, B, H represents the length. Therefore, it can be written as L into L into L, that is L cube. Therefore, m to the power 0, L cube, T to the power 0, since there are no use of mass and length here. Therefore, they will be represented as the power to the power 0. Then density. Density is equal to mass by volume. Mass is m, and for volume it is L cube. Therefore, m by L cube, or m L to the power minus 3 T to the power 0. Speed of velocity, we have already learned. Force. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. For the acceleration, the dimensional formula is Lt to the power minus 2, and for mass is m. Therefore, on combining them, you can write as m Lt minus 2. Similarly, if you know the basic formula of the physical quantities, you can write easily the dimensional formula of the physical quantities. Here are the list of the some dimensional formulas of the physical quantities. This is the table. You can easily learn and you can easily practice by using the basic formula of the physical quantities. Here are the some examples that you can easily write it. Then, 4 types of the physical quantities on the basis of the dimensional analysis. First is the dimensional constant. What is a dimensional constant? Constant means whose value does not vary, that is, values are constant. Dimensional means it has dimension, means it has the m, L and T. Whether any of them is absent, that is m to the power 0 or L to the power 0 and T is present, or L is absent, m is absent and T is present. Similarly, the other physical quantities which are constants but have the dimension. Like for example, velocity of the light in vacuum, it is a constant value, and the velocity of the light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, but the velocity has dimension lt to the power minus 1, but its value is constant, it does not change. It means the dimensional constant means the values is constant but it has the dimension. Similarly, universal constant, gas constant, gravitational constant, G, capital G, F is equal to G m1 m2 by r square, that you have learned in the universal gravitational law. And similarly, the Planck constant, they have all the dimensions, that means they have m, l and t, but they are constant values. Second, the dimensional variables, the as it is represent, these are the variables that they are not fixed. For example, mass, velocity, density, acceleration, force, these are the quantities which are variable, that is their value does not fix, they have not a constant value, and they along with the variable values, but they also have the dimensions. Next is the dimensionless constant. Dimensionless means they have not the dimension, it means m to the power 0, l to the power 0, t to the power 0, but they are constant value. For example, 1 is a numerical value, it has no dimension, and but along with it, it is a constant value. For example, pi is equal to 22 by 7 or 3.14, it is a constant value, but it has no dimension, it has no formula. It can easily be learned that those quantities which have no formulas and they have constant values, these are the dimensionless constant, means constant, and along with this it is a value. Next is the dimension variables. Dimensionless variables means they are variables but they have no dimensions. For example, strain, the formula of strain is change in length by original length, length upon length, that is they will cancel out m to the power 0, l to the power 0, t to the power 0, means dimension length, and along with this it is variable, that means strain can any values. Then also angle is equal to arc upon radius, arc is also length, radius is also length, l will cancel out m to the power 0, l to the power 0, t to the power 0, that means dimensionless, but it has variable because the angle can be 0 degree, 20 degree, 40 degree, 180 degree, 360